In a world moving faster than breath, people are waking up to something deeper. Not a trend or a new fad, but an ancient practice transforming lives right here in the Bay Area.
After the very first session itself, I slept through the night like a baby.
It lifted me out of that darkness. It brought joy back into my life.
The pain, the confusion, they just started to just fall away. It's like the breath itself became my compass.
Busy lives, full calendars, scattered minds. And yet, thousands across the Bay Area have found something that brings them back to balance. A simple breath, a deep reset, a daily lifeline. This July, Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar is coming to the Bay Area. It's not just another event, it's a chance to shift how you live, breathe, and show up. Three sessions, one breath, a lifetime of transformation. Don't miss what millions are calling the greatest gift of their lives.